Welcome back to our channel ERPzen. In today's video, we will see how to configure chart of account structure instance. Now, go to the task called Manage Chart of Account Structure Instances. Hit on your username. Click on Setup and Maintenance. Setup Financials. Now search for the task called Manage Chart of Account Structure Instances. Click on Manage Chart of Account Structure Instance task. Now hit search. And here in accounting flex field, you will define and configure all the chart of accounts. Now click on manage structure instances. This is the place where we can create and search our chart of account structure instances. Now hit create to create a structure instance. Now I will go with xx underscore ERPzen underscore COA underscore instance. Now give the name of our structure instance. ERPzen COA structured instance. I will go same with the description. Now here enabled means it should be enabled. If it is not enabled, that means it is disabled. Now, what is the difference between chart of account structure and structure instance? Previously, there was no concept of chart of account structure instance in Oracle e-business suite. But with the development of Oracle Cloud, we have this new functionality. We have this new functionality known as chart of account structure instance. With this new chart of account structure instance in Oracle Cloud, we can create multiple instances of a single chart of account structure as per your requirement. In Oracle, a chart of accounts instance is a specific implementation of the chart of accounts COA structure that is tailored to the needs of a particular organization. The chart of account structure instances define the specific account codes, segment, and values that are used to classify and report financial transactions within the organization. A chart of account structure COA instance in Oracle Cloud is typically created as part of the implementation process for Oracle financial system. During this process, the COA structure is customized to meet the specific needs of an organization, and a chart of account structure COA instance is created that reflect this customization. And if it is disabled, therefore it is not enabled for usage. Now we'll discuss about dynamic combination creation allowed. In Oracle Fusion, this is a setting on Manage Chart of Account Structure Instances page that enables automatic creation of new account to code combinations. When users enter them during transactions, activating this checkbox removes the need for manual creation of every possible account combination. The key aspects of dynamic combination creation are functionality. Allows the system to create a new valid accounting combination immediately the first time a user enters that specific combination in a transaction or journal. Alternative. The alternative is to leave this option unchecked, requiring manual creation of all valid account combinations before they can be used, which is more time consuming. Validation. While this enables automatic creation, it heavily reliant on cross validation rules to ensure that only valid combinations are created. New combinations must pass these rules, otherwise, the system will raise an error. Implementation impact. Selecting this option on the Manage Structure Instances page optimizes the speed of data entry. Best practice. It is highly recommended to use this setting alongside with cross-validation rules to prevent the creation of illegal or invalid code combinations. Now, in the structure name, select your chart of accounts. Our chart of accounts is ERP Zen COA structure. If you select, automatically it will be linked to our instance. So select each and of these are all our segments. Now select, click on this pencil icon to edit. Now click on required. Now hit OK. Now you can see we marked it as required. Then only we can use that. So we have to do it for each and every one of the for each and every segment. Now click on department required. Click OK. Now same for accounts. Select it, click on edit, the pencil icon, check required and click on OK. Now select product, hit pencil icon, click on required, hit OK. Select location, now click on edit, checkbox, check required, click on OK. Now for same future one, click on required, OK. Now same for the future two, click on edit, click on required, click OK. Now say save and close. Hit done. Now we have created the COA structure and it will not be available for user to use it until we deploy this. See the deployment status edited since we have created new structure instance. What is deployment means whenever setup that have you configured, now we need to deploy. Only after successful deployment, it will be available for users to use it. Now hit deploy field. Now since it is a demo instance, it is taking so much time. Since we will have so many structure and structured instances. It's taking some time since it is a demo instance. No errors. You can see deployment completed successfully. Start a new session for the runtime to view changes. Hit OK. Now you can see write a green tick mark called deployed. Now click on done. Click on home. That's it. This is how to create a chart of account structure instance in Oracle Fusion. This is a foundational step in any implementation, and getting it right will save you countless hours later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel ERP Zen for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. And join our Telegram community for deeper discussions and resources. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.